In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logic to Google Forms using Paperform. As an alternative to Google Forms, Paperform offers you more control and advanced logic options, making it an ideal choice for those seeking more flexibility and customization in their forms. Let's get started by diving into how you can effectively leverage Paperform to enhance your forms with logical sequences. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to Paperform and open up your form. If you've never used Paperform before, it's a powerful online tool that provides an intuitive interface for creating customized forms. Once you have your form open, you'll notice a top menu. Here, you'll want to click on the Logic tab. This will be your gateway to adding dynamic elements to your form based on user interaction. Within the Logic section, you'll find two important options: question logic and page logic. Choosing question logic allows you to set conditions on individual questions. For instance, you might want to show or hide subsequent questions based on the respondent's answer. This is particularly useful when you're looking to tailor follow-up questions depending on previous responses, making your form far more engaging and relevant to each user. On the other hand, page logic is used for creating pathways that determine the navigation flow from one page to another within your form based on specific criteria. This can be very handy for segmenting users to different pages based on key responses. Setting the conditions is the core of adding logic to your form. For example, you might want to establish a condition where if a respondent answers yes to a particular question, the next question in sequence is revealed. This involves simply defining the criteria that trigger these actions. As you specify these conditions, keep in mind your overall objective and the kind of experience you wish to create. This thoughtful setup can greatly enhance the interactivity and purpose of your form. Once you have configured your logic rules, the next crucial step is to save your settings. But don't stop there. It's equally important to test your form thoroughly to ensure the logic flows as intended. Testing provides you with an opportunity to experience the form from a user's perspective, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments before it goes live. During this testing phase, pay attention to how smoothly the transition from question to question or page to page occurs, ensuring that it aligns perfectly with your response conditions. Adding logic to your forms using Paperform not only elevates the functionality of your questionnaire, but also ensures a personalized and seamless user experience. Whether you're conducting a survey or gathering precise data, the strategic application of question and page logic can significantly impact your goals. So, dive into Paperform, follow these steps, and watch as your forms transform into powerful, dynamic tools tailored to your needs. Happy form building!